Greetings all. So today we're going to be doing a room tour of the Kimpton Shane in Atlanta Midtown. This is going to be room 1109. Without further ado, let's have a little walk and talk. First thing I like is that it does have like a foyer area. You don't just walk straight into your room. There's plenty of space here for your luggage. Got some nice little welcome decor with a nice mirror, body mirror. Plenty of space for your luggage and everything. Ample amount of space. The other thing I like here is this huge hallway. Gives you the feel that there is some separation between your sleeping space and essentially the rest of the little parts, whether it's closet, restroom, or whatever the case may be. So there's not a lot of over the bed lighting, which is still fine, but there's plenty of space here in like the side tables. Then on this side table you have two outlets. You have a USB and a USB-C. I haven't done a bed test yet, but that's also going to happen. They leave you plenty of snacks. I haven't asked yet if they are actually, here's your list right here, your room amenity menu. Not necessary for me. Like the personal touch with the Shane bottled water. They also have room service, so you can use the QR code there to order things. I believe the young lady set up to like 9:30 at night. Then you have your mini fridge here with the side-by-side freezer. It's pretty narrow, but you can get some cans or whatever the case may be in there. And obviously you have these items as well that you know how that goes. You use them, you bought them. Now there's not any space for like your personal items or whatever because the shelves here are a little taller than on the opposite side, so you might have to just take some of it out and put your own personal things in there. Then you got a nice little coffee area here, coffee and tea. Other thing I like is that this long desk / table stand, whatever the case may be, accommodates more drawer space, the refrigerator, and essentially like a little work area as well. Also supported by two outlets, a USB and a C charger. Plenty of space. I like the separation that you have between the bed and the sitting area, so you can be in here and not feel like you're just stuck in one area, one location. That side table is the same as before with power as well. You have like a little two-seater here. Now this room is a King Premium Panoramic view of Midtown Atlanta. I like the personal touches, especially with the updated rooms and hotels. They give you that nice little welcome message as you come in. Obviously that's myself, status and current point level, TBD. Moving forward, let me share this view with some of y'all. Alright, we all over for the most part. Let's come to the hallway area. So this building here is the Iveco Center building or something to that effect. So I'm one of those people that like natural lighting, so this is plenty. And right now it is about 5, maybe like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the evening, so you're not bombarded by sunlight, and the AC works really well, so you're good. More views. So it's a very well lit space. You don't have to feel like you're actually in a hotel room. It actually gives me more of a condo/apartment type of vibe, which makes your stay feel more homely. If you want to unpack and do all those type of things as well. All right, what we got next? Closet space. So it has a nice little sizable wardrobe. Got an extra pillow at the top, plenty of hangers. I don't know if it's the first time, but the first time in a long time I've seen a hotel that actually provides an umbrella. They also provide a yoga mat, suitcase holder, safe, and a robe as well. I don't know if this says Kimpton or anything, but nah, it's just a little robe. I will be putting that to use. All right, fairly simple to operate. AC control here. Then next you have your hygiene facilities. Very spacious, like plenty of space. One thing it doesn't have is a vanity mirror, but there's quite a bit of lighting in here. They do provide extra towels and everything down there. The blow dryer. Got your bathroom mat there. Something I've always liked. Light dimmers. So you got plenty of light, and you have a very large shower. Very, very large. Something I can always appreciate is your control for your water actually being on the opposite side of your shower head. Right, so that way you don't have to be in here, because you know that first water coming out of your cold. You don't have to be in there, turn on your water. That first water is cold. You can just operate everything from here and then do your thing. They're providing products by Aluminum. Never heard of them, but it seems like they have some natural based products from the sound of it. Yeah, that's that kind of brings me to the conclusion it is. After a long flight from Hawaii to here, I don't know what my body clock is like, but this is definitely going to be a very good experience and stay. Alright, so in regards to like the features of the TV and what information it may provide them in the local area, not really much to it, which is fine, that's okay. But they do have live TV options. They also get the option to use AirPlay and Chrome Connect, so you can like stream your stuff to the TV. You can check out your bill if you have a bill or anything that you've added on as far as like room service or any extra fees. You can view that on your on the TV as well. There's also another selection on the TV that's called Learn More About Kimpton, where they essentially just give you their little pleasant feels and warms and fuzzies about the other locations throughout the world internationally. So I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna say that, leave that for you on the outro. So I hope you enjoy it. Man, I almost forgot to show you. Blackout curtains. Not just any blackout curtains. Remote control, or at least electrical control blackout curtains. So you got your little keypad here for your sheer blackout, so on and so forth. You get it. I'm gonna go blackout. Close them up. Now, ideally, you can do both of these at the same time. I just kind of messed it up myself. But yeah, they all close. So even in the daytime, you're trying to get you some sleep, rest, or whatever the case may be. Boom. So that's nice and complementary to like a soft tone type feel, even during the daytime. These lights are also adjustable, so you can change the tone of them. Boom.